Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought an awesome and easy trick by help of which you will be able to write stylish 3D text just within a minute by help of the Pixellab. The link of the PLP file is given in the description, but password will be shown in the cards to the upper right corner of the video. So don't skip or don't try to download video, you may not get the password. So let me show you how to add PLP file and make changes of your own choice in the 3D text. For this purpose, just open the Pixellab, then go to the My Projects and click on the PLP file here. After this, you will be directed towards the downloads, and here you will find the text which have you downloaded by the link given in the description. Just click on that text. You will here get a blue text effect of PLP file. Click on this and open and add it. By adding this, you will get the template of the 3D text. After that, you have to go to layers. Choose the layer by which you have to make changes. As I had selected the cool, click on the pencil icon and here type the word which you want to write. I choose viral. After that, go to the next word and write here the same word. So after clicking that, you have to go to the adjustment position and adjust it. Subscribe my channel for easy tricks and remain in touch with all type of new editing material.